So section 8.3, we're still working with justifications. We want to see first what relationship there are between the angles that are given. So we want to see, is there any relationship between these, or do we have to do more work first? So if we look, they're on opposite sides, but one is an exterior angle and one is an interior angle. So we're going to have to do a little bit more work to be able to solve. So what else is equal to 110 degrees? Let's say we label these 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So what other angle is equal to 110 degrees?
4.
Yeah. 4 is also 110, and that's because those are corresponding angles. Now, what is the relationship between these two angles? They form a straight line. So what we're going to do is write an equation where 110 plus x equals 180. So what does x have to be? 70. So here, x is 70, and the justification, we have corresponding angles are congruent, and we have the linear pair theorem, and those put together means that we have parallel lines. Some of them are not as involved as that. Okay. Let's look at number 2. What is the relationship between these two angles? Same side, exterior angles. So here we're going to do same side, exterior angles are supplementary, meaning we've got parallel lines. So we know that 55 plus 10x plus 25 equals 180. And then we want to go about solving that. So to solve this, let's combine like terms first, which is the 55 and the positive 25. So we still have 10x, but we have plus 80 equals 180. To get x by itself, we want to remove the piece that does not have any x's to the other side. So 10x equals 100. So what does x equal? 10. Questions so far? Okay. Number 3. Look at the relationship between those two angles. What is that relationship? Alternate interior angles. Good. We know that alternate interior angles are equal to one another. So here, we know that 70 equals 5x minus 5. So what would we do first? Yep, we're going to add 5. So we have 75 equals 5x. Divide by 5. What do we get?
15.
And that was because alternate interior angles are congruent, means that we have parallel lines. What's the relationship between these two angles and number 4? Alternate exterior angles are congruent, meaning we've got parallel lines. So we know that 2x to the second plus 2x minus 1 equals x squared plus 23. When we have exponents to the second, we want to get everything on one side. So here we'll subtract x squared. We get 1x to the second plus 2x minus 1 equals 23. And then you want to subtract 23. When we do that, we have x squared plus 2x minus 24 equals 0. And this is something that you would solve by factoring. I'll just tell you how to factor. The questions that I want you to focus on are more like 1, 2, and 3. But being able to set up something like number 4 is what I'm really wanting you to focus on. So x is -6 and a positive 4. If we plug those in, both of them will work. So -6 and 4 both work. How do we feel about questions 1, 2, and 3? Does it make sense about how we're using those justifications to go about solving for a missing value?